Today, we're comparing the Xiaomi vacuum cleaner G20 and the G20 Lite. If you're choosing between them, here's what actually changes. Quick note: purchase links for both the G20 and G20 Lite are in the description and the pinned comment. Power and suction. The G20 is the performance model. It delivers up to 150 air watts or 25,000 pascals of suction, which means better pickup on carpets and heavier debris. The G20 Lite tops out at 18,000 pascals, fine for hard floors and light mess, but not as strong on deep carpet. Battery and runtime. Both give solid battery life for daily cleaning. The G20 runs up to 60 minutes with the 2-in-1 nozzle, or about 45 minutes with the motorized floor brush. The Lite is rated for up to 45 minutes with the nozzle, or 40 minutes with the floor brush. In short, similar endurance. The G20 pulls ahead slightly with lighter attachments. Filtration and design. The G20 uses a 12-cone Cyclone plus 5-stage filtration, rated to capture 99.9% of fine particles, helping it keep suction more consistently. The Lite also uses 5-stage filtration rated to 99.9%, and both models include LED lighting on the floor head to reveal dust. Weight and accessories. The Lite is lighter and easier to handle for quick jobs. The G20 is heavier, but it includes an extra mini motorized brush that's great for sofas, mattresses, and pet hair. Which should you buy? Pick the G20 if you want stronger suction and the extra upholstery tool for mixed floors or homes with pets. Pick the G20 Lite if you want a lighter, budget-friendly stick vac for mostly hard floors and everyday crumbs. That's your quick comparison of Xiaomi's G20 versus G20 Lite.